जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। It happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। It happens only in India.
Was in the year 2014, so quite some time has gone by. In the years, we have grown from being just in New York, Chicago. We have started San Francisco, and like you are all aware, from 7th of July, we are starting our flight to Washington. So this is just the initial part of the evening where we are having the appetizing round, but we, like Catherine said, we are tightening our belts for more action in the evening ahead. So this is just the mood builder. We have a surprise in store for you. We're just waiting for the surprise to arrive. So Catherine has just gone to see that the surprise does not lose its way to the hall. So thank you all for coming on this working day. I know the traffic took us also quite some time. Everybody must have driven for almost an hour to be here. So we thank you for the support. It's lovely to have you all, and we wish you a very nice evening. And while we wait for the surprise, may I invite Mrs. Vandana Sharma, Regional Managers, to come and address the gathering for a few moments. Thank you. Has taken the trouble of flying in from New York. She just arrived. Her flight unfortunately got delayed by 4 hours, so you can imagine. It's been quite an ordeal. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranu. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mrs. Neeta Bhushan, our Honorable Consul General, thank you very much for gracing the occasion. And all you dear friends and media personnel who have taken time to be here today with us. As Nakul said, this is a day for celebration. I have been wanting personally to meet all of you, each one of you, ever since I took over in September 2015. And unfortunately, I have not been able to come down to Chicago so often because from September 2015, Air India has been on a positive growth trajectory, especially to this region. And with the Prime Minister's visit in September 2015, if I go back since I've taken over, we started with San Francisco 3 times a week, which was announced, and in less than 40 days, we started our operations as proclaimed by the Prime Minister on 2nd of December 2015. So we met that target, and that was a very special feeling for all of us. This could not have been possible without the support of all of you, the travel trade, the media, and all our service providers who have stood by us all these years. From September 2015, 2nd December 2015, we grew from strength to strength. On August 15th, we started our Newark, London, Ahmedabad with the Dreamliner, the first. Then in less than a year, we increased San Francisco to 6 times a week. And now, in the next 6 months, every 6 months we have been adding 3 frequencies a week to this region. So as they say, most of the people from India come to the United States as students, and they have semester system. I also came here as a student of international aviation. In my first semester, we had 3 frequencies added. In my second semester, we added 3 more. Third, we increased San Francisco, and now we are adding Washington. Going forward, we are looking at expanding to Texas and the West Coast. So maybe by the end of the year, we will be expanding by at least 6 frequencies more, bringing a total to around 40 frequencies a week between India and US. I hope you all have a wonderful evening here today, and looking forward to interact. I think our special guest and the surprise has finally arrived. So I won't take more of your time. Thank you, Catherine. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a pleasant evening.
Thank you, Mrs. Sharma. It was wonderful. And Honorable Consul General Mrs. Neeta Bhushan will also be addressing, and she has a special message to the August gathering here, that how the consulate is there to help us, and how we cannot fly into India without her support, and that was the consulate. So without much ado, let's go on for the surprise.
about Air India.
Are you Indian? I love India.
So, travel along?
No, just on business.
You love India without experiencing it.
But I have experienced it right here on Air India. I always fly Air India.
Me too. It's the warmth,
It's the care.
thoughtfulness.
Now fly anywhere to anywhere. Earn and redeem miles via 27 Star Alliance partners.
This time, I'm using my miles to explore incredible India.
Air India, proud to be Indian, proud to be global.
You have seen the wonderful Air India advertisement. So thank you for all your support. It's because of each one of you that Air India is growing, and we have lots more to offer. So now, without further ado, may I please request Honorable Consul General Mrs. Neeta Bhushan to come and say a few words. Thank you.
Thank you, Nakul Chandji, Mrs. Vandana Sharma. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, namaskar. Let me say how happy I am here. I'm here, today to be with you all, especially since the evening has started with such a fun activity. I really enjoyed it. I must say it reminded me of my last assignment in the Gulf, but it was really beautiful. It was a true surprise. I congratulate you. And for many decades, friends, Air India has been the pride of India. It has been something which has, been the icon of India's hospitality, India's capabilities, India's innovation. And as a member of, representative of the government of India, I can say that Air India has been one constant feature in each one of my postings. Wherever I have been, Air India has been there luckily. And more than anything, India has been identified in all parts of the world because of Air India, because of our vast network. We have such a huge network, your airlines, and not just the network in terms of the entire Maharaja's logo. It has this logo itself makes us feel so proud. It is equivalent to, maybe only next to our Indian flag, I would say, wherever we go, whether it is Africa, wherever I have been, or Southeast Asia, the logo has represented India, and I have been myself a very proud member of the government, and wherever, I'm a member of the Indian community as well. I want to take this opportunity and congratulate Mrs. Vandana Sharma, Mr. Nakul Chand, and all of you for the hard work that you have put in for, bringing more people to India, for increasing business, tourism. It would not have been possible without your efforts. And the tremendous growth is something that has is something that is also a matter of great, remarkable pride and achievement for all of us. It has been possible because of many reasons, but one of the most important reasons has been your constant hard work and commitment of all the travel agents, of Air India personnel, of our crews, everybody. Government of India has launched the Incredible India campaign for the last more than a decade. And it has also been successfully run through our various offices, India tourism offices, and Air India has been a very important partner in that aspect as well. I am amazed to hear that the number of people going to India is increasing exponentially, and this has been possible because of the fact that India is now at a stage where people are looking to do business, to go to India for tourism. India offers everything, whether it is sports, adventure, mountains, seas. It is one country which is like a continent, and I have had a lot of interactions with my American friends here, and they are amazed. I am amazed at the places that they choose to go. In fact, several the number of people going to Ladakh, for example, in the summers or so, is amazing to me. In fact, there are a lot of people who say that they want to go to some remote areas in Madhya Pradesh. And it is possible that, that they are now feeling the pull of India so much that they want to be there in every field. From the consulate side, I just want to say that we are there. I know that visas has been an issue in the past. People have complained that the visas don't get done in the specific time frame. But I want to tell you that now the process is very smooth. We are issuing visas within 2 or 3 days. But in cases of emergency, we are using visas issuing them on the same day. And if you are stuck at any point, I invite you to call the consulate to get in touch with us. We will issue it right then and there. For tourist visas, there is absolutely no problem. We are doing it day in and day out. In fact, in my 5 months here, I have seen that the number of visas issued by us on a daily basis has increased from 80 to 120 to 100 or 130. Especially during the heavy season, it is now going up to 140. So it shows how much hard work goes into this, has gone into it by all of you. And I'm once again I would like to remind you that the consulate is there for visas. We have e-visa, which is an online system which it saves all trouble. You can apply for the visa and the result is available in 3 or 4 days. So that is also something you can do right from home. You don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to fill any application form for that. And go to CKGS. Some people told me that going or sending it by post was a little bit cumbersome. In the comfort of your own home and office, you can get the visas done. And most importantly, if you need a longer term visa, for example, for American citizens, we are giving 10-year multiple entry visas, and we are doing it in 1 day. That means, the delay, the applicant receives the visa through our outsourcing agency, the CKGS. So that 2 extra days for postal services. But otherwise, we are doing the visas on the same day. Whatever we get in the morning, we are issuing that by evening. So I want to say that please feel free to get in touch with the consulate, to get in touch with us anytime for any emergency. I don't know if any of you had the chance to see our tweet of our minister, the External Affairs Minister, Honorable Mrs. Sushma Swaraj. She said today that if you are in Mars and you are in distress, call Indian Consulate or Indian Embassy. So now we are that proactive, and this, from our, bottom of my heart, I would like to say that we follow it in letter and spirit. So please feel free to call us anytime. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Bhushan, Honorable Consul General. I must definitely recommend her name to Mrs. Vandana Sharma, Regional Manager. She has given such a wonderful testimony on Air India. Her support is excellent, and I may share that when she landed into USA, Chicago 5 months ago, Air India, she traveled on Air India, and we were the first ones to welcome her. So thank you so much. And like she said, for any visa query or any assistance that you may require from the government, please do not hesitate to contact the Indian Consulate. They are there to help us, they are there to assist us, and they are there to grow business into India and see that India is reigning supreme. So thank you very much.
To our top 10 producing agent, may I request Mrs. Vandana Sharma and Ms. Neeta Bhushan to come on the stage. Devon Travel. I have not seen Arun, I'm not sure. Natraj Travel. Skyward Houston. GTT. Skyward Detroit. Air Tours. Air Tours. Skyward Chicago. May I request Tom Dempsey, our district cargo manager, to come forward and hand over the cargo awards. Ria Travel.
Hi everybody, thank you all for coming out. It's good to see a lot of you again. Good to meet all of you for the first time. It gives me great pleasure to invite two of my top producing agents up. The first one I'd like to invite is Carmen Wang and Farouk Barash from Hellman International to recognize them as one of the top agents in cargo. Can I ask you? Pacheco, Jimmy Romero, and Jose Perez. Can you come up, please?
Now you're going to enjoy beautiful singing by Mr. Samir Saini.
How's everybody doing? Doing good? How about people on this side? Doing good? एक जोरदार तालियां मार के बताएं क्या how good you are doing? Oh, good. I like it. Very good. हीरो भी बेकार था, उसका हीरोइन भी उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, मगर गाना बड़ा हिट था. म्यूजिक इज कल्याण जी, आनंद जी. नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा आपको. चलो लेट्स हिट इट एंड देन we'll see. समा है सुहाना सुहाना नशे में जहां है, किसी को किसी की खबर नहीं जहां है, हर दिल में देखो मोहब्बत जहां है. समा है सुहाना सुहाना. Did you guys like it? Enjoyed it? Yeah, I like that. Can you guys guess the movie now? नहीं, बड़ी फ्लॉप मूवी थी इसलिए. मूवी का नाम था घर घर की कहानी. घर घर की कहानी. चलिए अगला गाना मैं आपके सामने गा रहा हूँ. Let's see if you guys can guess that. Kishore. Man, she's good. कहीं आप टीवी एशिया जी टीवी तो बहुत नहीं देखती ना?
पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, जीवन तुझको देखा था मैंने अपने आंगन में, जैसे कह रही थी तुम मुझे बांध लो बंधन में। ये कैसा रिश्ता है, ये कैसे सपने हैं, बेगाने होकर भी क्यों लगते अपने हैं। मैं सोच में रहता हूँ, डर के कहता हूँ, दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। जब तुझको देखा था मैंने अपने आंगन में, जैसे कह रही थी तुम मुझे बांध लो बंधन में। ये कैसा रिश्ता है, ये कैसे सपने हैं, बेगाने होकर भी क्यों लगते अपने हैं। मैं सोच में रहता हूँ, डर के कहता हूँ, दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। Thank you. क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा तेरी बाहों में बीती हर शाम बेवफा भी क्या याद क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा भूल जिस दिन तुम्हें वो जिंदगी का आखिरी होगा क्या हुआ एक ख्वाब में आई और गले हार हुई रात कभी एक ख्वाब में आई और गले हार हुई सुबह को जब हम नींद से जागे आँखों से जार हुई रात कभी एक ख्वाब में आई और गले हार हुई चाहे कहो इसे मेरी मोहब्बत चाहे हंसी में उड़ा दो ये क्या हुआ मुझको खबर नहीं हो सके तुम बता दो चाहे कहो इसे मेरी मोहब्बत चाहे हंसी में उड़ा दो ये क्या हुआ मुझको खबर नहीं हो सके तुम बता दो तुमने कदम को जमीन पर सीने झनकार हुई रात कभी एक ख्वाब में आई और गले कार हुई तो हसीनों के महाजबीनों के होते हैं रोज नजारे पर देखा जब तुम्हें तुम लगे और भी प्यारे यूं तो हसीनों के महाजबीनों के होते हैं रोज नजारे पर देखा जब तुम्हें तुम लगे और भी प्यारे बाहों में ऐसी तमन्ना एक नहीं कई बार हुई रात कभी ख्वाब में आई और गले कार हुई सुबह को जब हम नींद से जागे आँखों से जार हुई रात कभी एक ख्वाब में आई और गले कार हुई हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते, हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते। से भी मगर मंसूब हो तुम, किसी शायर से पूछो गजल हो या रुबाई, भरी है शायरी में तुम्हारी बेवफाई हो। झूठा मन में तेरे फूल है कम और कांटे हैं ज्यादा, वादा तेरा वादा, वादा तेरा वादा, वादे पे तेरे तू, कभी तू रूठ बैठी, कभी तू मुस्कुराई, हर किसी से की मोहब्बत, किसी से बेवफाई, किसी से की मोहब्बत, किसी से बेवफाई, उड़ाए होश तौबा तेरी आंखें शराबी, उड़ाए होश तौबा तेरी आंखें शराबी, जमाने में हुई है इनसे हर तस्वीर लाया हो दिखलाने, प्यार है तुमसे, चला प्यार है तुमसे। लाया वो दिखलाने, प्यार है तुमसे, मुझे प्यार है तुमसे। बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए। देते हुए ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए। ऐसा काम कर दिया प्यार की राह में, अपना नाम कर दिया हमने तो प्यार में। ऐसा काम कर दिया प्यार की राह में, अपना नाम कर दिया प्यार की राह में, अपना नाम कर दिया। आजकल फिर मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है, सबको खबर हो गई। कर दिया प्यार की राह में, अपना नाम कर दिया प्यार की राह में, अपना नाम कर दिया। आज फिर मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम।
मुझे बड़ा तड़कावे, तू देख तो अज भी दिल पर कुड़िए तीर जंग जल जावे।
have this party and for all your support from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. Three cheers. We are because you are here, and it's a symbiotic relationship. Thank you very much. My parting words, Air India is not just an airline. We are an airline with a heart. We are an airline which is there for you.
Thank you very much. It was lovely having you over. And like Mrs. Vandana Sharma has said, airline is an airline that you must believe in. We look forward to helping you, and we are there for you. And so let's make it all grow mutually. And hip hip hooray! Thank you so much.